Yeah. Ooh, yes.
Yeah, and I just found out that she has 3 gavels in her
do.
drawer. It's amazing.
Well, I used to have 4. Oh, it's because to get the little ones like that, you have to get 4. They come in bulk, so you have to get 4.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you were just really into governing.
Oh, well, I am, so it's quite a deal. You do the same thing I think of doing. I think of hitting my hand, or like my arm with it too.
Oh, wow.
But then it sounds really weird.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, be careful there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I should put this back.
Oh, sure. Anything else you perhaps are interested in there? It's not that interesting, is it? Do I have anything?
Anything is interesting when it comes to you.
Really?
Yeah.
Like.
Okay. I wanna show you guys the less worse one. But they're all pretty bad. Anyway, here you go. So, guess what this is? Ta-da! What do you think this is? What kind of flavor do you think it is? Oh man. So let's see. Yes, it is edible. Okay, I guess a tuna with green peppers. No. Jalapenos, egg soup. Nuh-uh. I did use water. This is water. Which actually blend sandwich. It is real. You thought I was gonna fake it? No. Okay, let's see. And now I'll give you my final answer after I show you everything. Okay, now what do you think about this? Ooh. Look at that. What could it be? Let me just line it up nicely. That. And that. Let's hear guesses. They look the same. No. It's different. That's probably because there are a lot more vegetables. But see, if you look real closely, there are small bits, I think. Some peppers and everything. Okay. And now watch this. I think we all know what the last one is. Oh, hey, QB. Oh. Happy birthday. Oh. Well, I can never call anyone Oni-chan. However, I can call you Ototo. Otanjoubi omedetou. Ototo. Okay, but let's see. Let's go back to misery. But I hope you have a great one. Anyway, you'll see what this one is. Yeah, stalling stream because I really don't want to drink this. Yeah. Let's look at this. Ooh, what could it be? It's definitely not the same, right? Oh, it's such a shame too because all the sandwiches look pretty good. So now, let's see. These are fresh. These are absolutely fresh. And now the reason why I decided to have the sandwich thing, sandwich smoothie, curse soup. Oh yeah, you know where it's at. The reason why I wanted to do this, first of all, I was naive. I guess I was thinking of it as more of a space food, space smoothie, you could say. I didn't know how putrid it could get. And second of all, I have to do some hardcore diet because it's gonna be Sally's wedding soon and I gotta look good. I gotta look real good. So I need to hold myself back. I gotta stop eating sandwiches. And I think this would be a great opportunity for me to lose interest in sandwiches. This will be a closing chapter.
How was Canada? Fun! I went and I saw the Kronster. I took her to an expensive dinner and spa, and it was nice. We didn't really stream or do any spaces or anything, because I think we just wanted to take a girls' trip. And sometimes you just gotta be with your friends, outside of the workspace. Even though work is really fun for us, but like a fun work, But I wanted to take her mind off of streaming and stuff. No Subway, right? No. I told her as soon as I got to where she was, I was like, Kronii, we're not eating Subway. She's like, aw. Yeah. I went to her house at one point and she pulled out half a Subway sandwich from the fridge and I was like, are you just trying to get me to say something about this? I'm not gonna say anything about this. Please tell us you took her to a place with good sandwiches. I couldn't find any, sadly. But the rest of the meals were good. They were on point. They just didn't have sandwiches, so. So, I don't want to say too much more because I don't want to throw away the possibility of a Subway sponsorship. Though, to be honest, I think that's really kind of out the door anyway. Kronii may be a fan, but I feel like it hasn't been, how do I say, the most sponsor-friendly reception, right?
Anyway, let's guess. Let's guess, guys. So what do you think I order? What do you think this is? Do you have a bucket nearby? I do have a bucket nearby. Thank you for your concern. So this, what do you think this is? Meatball. And yes, you are absolutely correct. Meatball. That is correct. You are so smart. Okay. And then, number 2. What could this be? I gagged when I started blending. Tuna. Tuna, is that your final answer? Okay, well, you know what? This, my friend. Let's see. Wait, why am I zooming in? I just have it right here. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna gag. Oh, okay.
Wait, Kronii, can you fix my Switch thingy?
Oh, yeah.
I can't undo it. Can you help me?
Oh! This?
It's stuck. I just remembered.
What the heck?
It's super stuck. Did I put it on incorrectly?
I think you might have put it on incorrectly.
Shoot.
Let's see. Wait, during stream?
I used it for Switch Sports, and it's been stuck ever since, and it's dead. Like, it's low on battery. So
and it's low on battery.
Yeah.
Oh, you put it on the opposite side.
Well, they shouldn't have made it so that it's possible to do that.
See, you put it on this side. It's the other way around. No wonder.
Why is it so hard to get it off?
Ah, shoot.
Is it? Do I have to throw it away?
No, don't do that.
Is
wait.
it over?
Oh, wait.
Oh.
You locked it, that's why.
You can lock those? Oh,
What would you do without me?
I would throw it away. I'd never use it again. I wouldn't throw it away. I'd put it into storage.
Oh, okay, now I know which one it is. So, this one, my friends, is actually... Why did I decide to do this? Yeah, this is actually teriyaki. I know, right? You can't believe it, I know. But if you zoom in real close, I'm pretty sure you can see the tomato. It's great. Where's the It's blended. The chicken's gone. Blended. Magic. Okay, now the last one. What do you think this is? What do you think this is? Oh. Can you zoom in? Oh yeah, for sure. There you go. What do you think? You like that? Yeah, you can see some green peppers in there. Yum yum.
What a loathsome sandwich blender. I hope you guys are giving her a hard time for that, because I was not around to give her the hard time that she deserved for that, but she deserved a hard time for that. Well, understandable. I think it's a good way to be. Which is normal social life. I think it's normal to go outside and meet other people as well.
No. Rather than slandering, think of it as more...
Oh, Jesus! Mr. Squeak, save me! Mr. Squeaks! Whew. It's Billy! It's Billy!
I'm
Mr.
so sorry.
Squeaks, are you okay?
I wasn't looking at the screen.
Is that why your heart rate didn't spike to 160?
Yeah, unfortunately. They actually has me turned away from the screen because unfortunately if my heart rate reaches 160, unfortunately I'll be dead.
Oh, I might be dead too, Mr. Squeaks. You got any experience embalming bodies? You might have to do mine.
No, I don't think that's, I think we should stop.
There's sounds.
Well, I think we should stop. I think we should stop. I can't look at the screen anymore. I'm going to die. And I think you're about to die too. You reached 161.
Was really scary.
Don't zoom? Oh, here you go. What do you think? It was pretty good. Yum. Lime mojito. You mean mojito. It has bits and pieces to very chunky and watery smoothie. Oh, someone got it right. Yes, you are correct. Now, this, my friends, this is steak and cheese. Delicious. Yes. Let's go. Bone apple tea, everyone. Oh man, I hate myself. Yeah, bone apple tea.
Day, am I streaming on October 13th? I don't think I am. Wait! I'm streaming at 9 time. But I was thinking happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Haruka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Good. There you go, chat. You got your content. Okay, amazing. I can't look at the screen. I haven't been. I can't. I can't. Look, I hit my limit 1 hour ago, Fauna, but I believe.
Oh no.
You did great. Okay, your heart rate reached 162, Fauna. You're doing great.
It's like cardio, like a new record.
Yeah, it's a new record. You're doing great.
Worse than Resident Evil.
Yeah. 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 You're so brave, Fauna. You're so brave. You are just.
Is he still there? This escape is so scary.
You're so brave. I can never be as brave as you, and I think I'm okay with that, you know? What do you think, Fauna? Maybe we should stop. You've done very well. You know, we had one major jump scare. Thank you so much. Everybody, I didn't look at the screen, so maybe, yeah, you didn't get to see me scared, but that's absolutely fine because I would have been dead. I'm not kidding. I would have died. I would have fainted probably.
It's very scary.
They said that's why it's scarier than Outlast! And you played Outlast.
Oh, I'm like looking behind myself in real life to see if Billy's sitting in the corner.
Oh god, not little Billy.
Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Come on, dude. I'm gonna call up my old friend. Look at you, Granny. Come on. Fuck! Stop! I hope I have good dreams. I should tell you guys about my bad dreams. Fuck! Why? I can't parkour, man! Anyway, so me and a group of people were on a big I don't wanna what way is this supposed to be? Is she mad that I'm getting closer? Oh fuck! Oh my god! No, you know what? I don't want this candy. It's not gonna help me right now. It's not gonna help me. It's not gonna help me right now. It's not. It's really not. Nope. I don't know what I need. What was that? Oh, there's a fly! A fly saying hello to you guys. Get out of here. Jump scared by a fly. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Wanna talk about it? She's in here. Oh, I just tabbed out. I tabbed out. This is the last photo of Gura ever. I can't go back in. You can't make me go back in the game. You can't make me go back in. You can't make me go back in. You can't make me go back in. You can't. Oh, I put on my cozy, comfy, wearable blanket, but now I'm sweating in it. All right, I'll be back in. Open my eyes.
then that's fine. Please, please. I'm leaving your ass behind in 1951. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Take me home.
I brought some maple syrup. So maybe I should have some maple syrup to wash it. Why didn't I blend it? It's a topping. Duh. Why would you blend it? Wait, I gotta see if this has gone bad. I mean, technically speaking, yes, it has gone bad. But maple syrup, it takes a while for it to expire. So let me take a sip. It still smells good. Ooh. Oh, it smells. I mean, it smells good. It tastes pretty good too. Ooh. Yum. Let's see the expiry date for this one. I saw it somewhere just now. Where'd I see it again? Ooh. 2020 of April. It still got it good. Two years, it's nothing. I gotta put a disclaimer though, just in case people are naive enough. Don't try this at home. There we go. Just in case. Don't be like me.